Yo guys, welcome to another video. If you're new to the channel, my name is Ballo.trades and I'm documenting my journey to becoming a successful forex trader here on YouTube. So if you want to join the journey, if you want to join the grind, click that subscribe button and click the notification bell to notify you when I'm dropping another video. So yeah guys, into today's video, I'll be sharing the trade that actually made me pass my phase 1 challenge on the Forex Funder, the best program out there guys. I'll leave the links in the description and make sure you sign up with them today. So guys, this trade was actually the only trade. Like I just took one trade and made me pass my whole phase 1, right? So getting into the video, I'm going to explain what I saw and what made me actually to execute the trade, right? Before we get into the video guys, I want to address something. Guys, I don't run any of this account management stuff. I don't know if you guys have seen a couple of Telegram groups that pretending to be me. Guys, I'm gonna leave the screenshot here, guys. This thing you see here, these groups you see here, this is not me, guys. Not one of these accounts are linked to me. I have only one group, which is Ballo.trades Inc. Falcon FX, which is traders that trade the Falcon strategy. That is it, right? I wouldn't contact you asking you for money. I wouldn't contact you asking you to join my group, right? So these accounts that you see here, guys, these are not linked to me, right? So just wanted to get out the way. And guys, before you fall into this scammer stuff, guys, I mean, I clearly indicate in my videos that sorry about that. I clearly indicate in my videos that I am a beginner forex trader. I say day in the life of a beginner. Keyword, beginner forex trader. Now, why would a beginner say he's running account management, account management stuff? Guys, I don't do that, right? I don't do that. So yeah, man, I have only one Instagram account. I have no Twitter. I have no Facebook. That is linked with my brand Ballo.trades. Yeah, so just for future reference, I don't have Twitter, I don't have Facebook. So I'll inform you if I do have, but as for now, I don't have, right? So yeah, man, I just wanted to get that the way. So before we waste any further time, let's get into the video. So yeah, guys, we're here now, and the trade that the pair that I traded on that day was AUD Chef, right? So it was on the 12th of February. So let's just take back price to the 12th of February, right? 12th of February. Okay, it was somewhere here. All right. So is it here? Let me just check something. Trying to see if it was here. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Yeah, it was here. So let's go to the daily. So yeah, we're here on the daily. So on the daily, we could see right here we had an area of value, right? So for those of you who don't know what strategy I use the Falcon strategy, right? So there's certain things that I'm gonna say that you're not gonna understand, probably because you don't trade the Falcon strategy. You might trade something different, but I trade the Falcon strategy, so be mindful of what I'm saying here. So as you can see, we plotted our area of value right here. Then as you can see, price left a gap right here and another gap right here. Right? Okay, so the reason why price left a gap here is probably because right now I'm thinking in probabilities, right? I'm not certain of what I'm saying. The reason price left a gap here was because price wanted to go for further volume, right? To catch traders on the wrong side of the market so that we can go further down to fill up that gap, right? So let's go to the 4-hour. So this is what I've seen on the daily, right? Let's go to the 4-hour. On the 4-hour, right, our initial area that we could see ourselves at long term was here. it was here on this override, right? So long term could see price coming up here, right? So right now we were looking for some type of continuations to the upside, right? So I plotted my my values, my inflection points. We call them inflection points, right? Inflection point right here. Yes, it's an inflection point. So let's put that in. So here we had our inflection point, which price reacted from, as you can see right here. Then we rallied down, right? Then we coming back up, right? So we could assume that price is not ready to go to the downside yet, right? So we let's go further to the 1 hour time frame. So here we're looking at this is the most important thing that I've learned. As you can see, we had another zone right here, point of interest on the 1 hour. Just this area of interest. Here our area of interest. So this zone was the zone we were interested in, right? Okay, fine. So as you can see, price broke that area of interest, right? So if price wanted to commit to the downside, it would have done so a long time ago, right? But as you can see here, price was rallying down, so it didn't have much momentum to go to the upside. So we could be looking for short-term sells on the long time frame, probably to catch some volume. That is my thought process, right? To catch some volume and go back to the upside, right? So going to the I played this out, right? I waited for price to give me like some type of continuation, right? So as we're playing price forward, we wanted some type of continuations, right? So I was able to identify this area right here, which price could give us a setup that we've been using in Falcon trading. Tap inside, then go back up, right? This is some type of a continuation, like a two-touch confirmation. It looks like this, right? Two-touch confirmation where we have like almost equal loads, like this, right? Then enter right here, then to go to the upside, right? That is one setup that I was looking for here. Okay, so playing price forward, we are going to that zone. So as you can see, going to that zone took a very long time actually, because this is on the 1 hour time frame. As you can see, we are near, but we hadn't arrived at that point. We hadn't arrived at that point yet. So this is the kind of formation that I mostly use, because the candle formations that Falcon teaches is the candle closing 50% of the previous candle. So let's say this is a beige candle, right? Let's say this is a beige candle, right? Let me just take this backwards. Let's say this is a beige candle, right? And this beige candle is located in our area of value, or our area of interest, right? So the next candle I'm looking for here is a candle that will close 50% of the previous candle. Let's say this is let's say this is a bullish candle. So as you can see here, using our Fibonacci tool, measuring the tool here, as you can see, we closed 50% of this previous candle, right? That is our candle formations that we look for to enter for a risk entry, right? And we had exactly that right here. we had that exactly, right? So I plotted my buy stop right here, just above the candle, and I put my stops right here. I don't precisely remember my what do you call it? I don't precisely remember my stop loss size, right? So we targeted this value right here on the 4-hour time frame, right? So this was initially we were going at, right? So we had that, then we played price forward, tapped me in, went back down, went back up, right, to hit my TP. So this was the trade that actually banked me a wholesome 9% to make me pass my funded challenge phase 1. So as you can see, I documented this, I journaled this trade. Let me just show you for those who don't believe. Where is the trade? Trading journal. Where is it? Was it 12 February? Yes. As you can see here, that's number 6, right? Number 6, 12 February, Monday. I took a long, hit TP, banked me 9%, right? And the 80% that you see here is the rule congruency rate. So this measures like how I like followed my trading plan. So I followed it like 80%. I don't feel like I've followed it to the T, but then I followed it like yeah, I followed it. So as you can see, this was how the trade was looking like. And yeah, man, I took my risk was actually a whole lot more, right? So yeah, man, this is the trade that made me pass my phase 1 challenge.